house or a condo in Canada or the US, the 2022 edition. Both of these, this system works for both in Canada and the US because they both have similar real estate system like Realtor.com, MLS, and real estate agencies that works in a similar fashion. So what we'll cover in this video is 1. Choosing a real estate agent, what commission to pay, appraisal, staging, open house process, and finally offers and closing. So choosing a real estate agent, very important. Don't sell it yourself. Don't fall into that trap or your house will be out on the market for 4 years, as you'll be cutting off 90% of the market. If you sell yourself and not through a real estate agent, buyers agents will not show your listing to their buyers. Real estate agents have separate access to MLS and Realtor.com sites and see what percentage of commission is shared to the buyer's agent. Very important. Buyer's agents will show first the listings that pay them the most. Greed and self-preservation above client's interest is their motivation. So step into the shoes of a buyer and Google buy home in your area, whatever the name of your area is, or city or town. And then contact 3-5 of the most advertised agencies because you want to be represented well and by the agency that has been around for a while and that has budget to cover your needs, and by the agency that has, and not by the one that is a lone or fly-by-wire agent. Ask individual agents how many closings they had last year. Ask how many properties they sold within your price range, because some agencies more specialize on multi-million-dollar homes, others on a cheaper one for sale. Commission, what commission to pay? Choose one agency. Most importantly, give them exclusivity. There will be one agency representing you and that's it. And then they can dedicate resources into promoting and closing your deal fast. I agree on their commission. Don't try to bring it down. Normally it will be between 5 and 6%. Agree to it. Don't negotiate it down, because the higher the percentage, the more interest from the buyer's side, the buyer's agent is, because the more share they have. Remember, the higher the commission, the more the buyer's agent share will be and the more showings you'll get. 1% up or down makes a huge difference. So if everybody is at 5 and you're at 6, your property gets shown more and gets shown first. Simple math. Buyer's agents will show those property first that pay them the most. Greed and self-preservation, again, above client interest, rule this realm. Appraisal. Now, get the appraisal done. The real estate agency you choose will recommend the appraiser. The appraising companies are used mostly by banks when deciding on the mortgage. Thus, they appraise conservatively. Now, again, this appraisal has nothing to do with the mortgage, but the important thing is that most appraising companies appraise very conservatively. They base their valuation on the neighborhood properties and history of recent and similar real estate closings in the neighborhood. Take that conservative valuation and make it a listing price, or follow your real estate agent's recommendation for the starting price. There will be bidding war at the end, so don't worry about it. And the pricing will be likely below the market, which is great, will attract more people. The process is staging, very important. Arrange for the property to be thoroughly cleaned and staged. Real estate agent will recommend the staging company that they are comfortable working with. Go with their recommendation. Remove all personal items and clutter from the property. Staging company will provide furniture and accessories that will give the property the right look for the price. Closely follow stager's recommendations. If there is a need to remove some old furniture or put a fresh coat of paint or build a new deck, do it. It is worth every penny in the end and will bring extra dollars after the showing. The next stage is open house. Book a date with your real estate agent for an open house. It usually lasts a week, so every day of that week there will be showings. Move out of the house for the week, book an hotel nearby and stay there for the duration of the open house. Come only after hours to check if all is in place and if anything needs adjusting or cleaning. Offers and closing. So, This is the final step. Real estate agent will not accept offers until after the showing on this specific day. So all of the offers will come in one day, thus creating a bidding war. When the day of closing comes, your real estate agent will be receiving competing offers. By the end of the day, you meet up with your real estate agent, sit down and review the offers. Select the offers that suit you most, like highest bidders or better conditions, etc., whatever suits you most. Also, you can give a chance to lower bidders by instructing a real estate agent to call them up and tell them to up their bid on the spot, thus driving the price even higher. And that's it. The house is sold. Congratulations.